These are my Shazamies. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. This time I'm really excited because I made a SHAZAM belt. Oh. My first attempt sucked. It was horrible. But my girlfriend made some awesome sketches and I didn't use them. I used JB Cosplay's template that you can buy on Etsy. I got that, I picked that up and printed it out on cardstock and made my own SHAZAM utility belt. Utility belt, just belt in general. It's not really, I think it's a fashion statement. I don't know what it is, but it looked cool. I know that. That looked definitely SHAZAM. Awesome. Well, here's some news. I got this awesome poster for Batman's 80th anniversary. I think it is absolutely awesome. I change my posters out now and then because sometimes I just get bored looking at the same thing, so I change it out with a new poster. My dad got me these awesome SHAZAM old SHAZAM comic books. My dad loves antiquing and anything superhero. He always sends me a screenshot, and I thought those were cool. Screenshot. Sends me a photo. What the heck? Sends me a photo. I also got this awesome like history of Batman magazine. Yeah, this is great when you're going to the bat room. Got that, picked that up. What else? Oh yes, Toledo Batman now has an Instagram page. So if you guys follow me on Facebook, make sure to definitely follow me on Instagram now. Yeah, it's super exciting. I like it. I think it's cool. I don't know what to post on Instagram. What do you guys suggest I post on Instagram? Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Okay, without any further ado, I guess, let's get into today's tutorial on how to make a SHAZAM belt. Here we go. Okay, so the first step is to print out the template. Then you print that on cardstock. It's a heavier type of paper and it makes it easy to cut out. Now you can tape the once you cut it out, you can tape it down or you can use pins. I just freehanded it and just held it down with my own other hand. So what I'm doing right here is cutting out the small pieces first and then gluing them together, the trim line for the middle of the belt. Next, I am taking these three pieces and making a base layer. That is what I'm going to glue everything onto. And if you guys can subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and share this video with your friends if you like it. Next is you cut it out. Simple as that. And yeah. So now, then you take the pieces that go on the base layer and you cut those out. These are the lightning bolts and line marks that go on the belt. You want to cut 2 of these. 1 for each side. Now the little details, the lightning bolts and the line marks get cut out. Yeah. Like I said, you can either tape it down or cut it, or pin it, sorry, not cut it. Now, yeah, this was very time consuming. It took a lot of patience. But hey, it looks great in the end, so it's totally worth it. And it's not that expensive. You're not breaking Hollywood bank budgets and whatnot. And once you get done with that, you have to do it all over again for the other side. But overall, this was a really fun project to do. It didn't take long, only took a day. Now these are the trim that goes around the belt. This is belt. It has 3 layers. And then I took the lightning bolt, glued that together. Now it's just a matter of gluing everything together and getting it ready to paint. I took my time with the trim, laying it down. I just used super glue. You can use rubber cement. It's up to you. Whichever one you prefer works fine. And yeah, there you go. Now it's all ready to be painted. Oh, and I did take a Dremel to it, just to trim up some edges. Make it look a little bit nicer. And I always go over it with a hot gun to just, I think it just makes it look a little bit nicer. Now I'm using white Plasti-Dip as a sealant. I prefer Plasti-Dip to Mod Podge or anything else. I think it works great and it's cheap. It works. And I took the middle lightning bolt that I cut out and just laid it over so it doesn't get on the yellow cellophane that I glued between the layers. And giving it a nice coat of gold spray paint. Now you can buy some red paint and go over the red lightning bolts. I know the red shows through in the actual screen used costume. I don't know. It's up to you. It's your choice. I didn't. Now all you have to do is just peel that lightning bolt off and add some Velcro. And you're just about done. Yeah, look at that. Nice and smooth. Easy. Yeah, don't rip it too hard, because you might rip the whole belt. You don't want it that. There you go. Shazam! Wow. Like I said, just take some Velcro, put it on the back. Nice and easy. And there you have it. You have your very own Shazam belt. Yes!
Well guys, here's my Shazam cosplay so far. This is all 2mm EVA foam. And I made the cape, and yeah, looks great. And all I need is boots. That's it. That's all I need is boots. And then I shall be completely Shazammed out. JB Cosplay also makes these awesome Shazam gauntlet templates, and he also has his own tutorial videos. I know he uses different sizes of EVA foam. All I did was use 2mm EVA foam for this project, and it turned out great. I think it's awesome. I don't know if I'm going to make the lightning bolts here red or cut them out. I'm not sure yet, but I'm still working on the costume. This is how it is so far. I'm also working on a Superman cosplay, which is going to be great because I always wanted to be Superman. It'd be awesome. And yeah, this undersuit I got, this red spandex suit I got on Amazon for 25 bucks. It was very heroic. Shazam! Very cool. I gotta Velcro all this stuff down, but yeah, this is it so far, and yeah, that looks 1,000 times better when it's up there, like that. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks guys. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos and all the support and all the comments. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome things, superhero related. I mainly try to do Batman things, but sometimes I just can't help myself, and I do more stuff because that's it. It's awesome. I love it. Hit that bell. Ding ding. Hit that bell. If you want to see more, get in the notification squad, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Until then, train like a hero, be a hero. See you guys.